We got how strong is water?
Okay. I think water's very strong, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I could actually run you down some statistics right now.
Oh, you got the notes right there, like on some nerd type shit?
No, I got it in my head. Check me out. Did you know
okay.
that 60% of the human body is made of water?
60?
Yeah.
Was it 60? I thought it was more than that.
I think it's 60. Also, did you know that about 70% of the earth is water?
Oh yeah, I know that.
But yeah, bro, water's mad strong, bro. Also, we got another video after this. We're gonna do it, together. How strong is fire? What you know about fire, Lunar?
Yeah, I know that shit hurt. I know it hurt.
I know it's hot. All right, anyways, yo, listen, shout out to OfficialDivine. We love your videos out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Also, we do got personal channels. Whatever we do on stream is there. Reactions, gaming, whatever it is, community stuff. Y'all gonna see it right there. Anyways, let's get taught.
Water. Out of all of the dangerous substances in the entire universe, the strongest is the one you'd least expect. A mineral that can cause all of us to die, but we need every drop to live. Adapting to literally anything, the universe's Mahoraga. How strong?
Yo, that's true. Yeah, because look, water can adapt.
Yes.
And what does Mahoraga do? He adapts, bro.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Exactly, because the liquid version of water, feel me? Because there's three of them. There's gas, liquid, solid. The liquid one can take any form. So water has the power of adaptation.
The universe's Mahoraga. How strong is... For 4.5 billion years, water has been at
What
the
is this
pinnacle
water
of
edit?
strength, a shapeless entity that can carve its name into the hardest stone, yet offer the gentlest touch on skin. At its core, water is a simple molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen.
True.
But from this simplicity arises strength that's immeasurable, carving the entire earth. Rocks, mountains, canyons, valleys, and even entire continents get split in half. The Earth's continents.
You heard the sync with the song and the...
Yes, that's why I said, ooh, I was bopping my head.
Yeah. Wait, let's go back.
Crazy. That is crazy.
Triple.
He edited his commentary within the edit. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God.
I see you, Official. I see you.
The entire Earth. Rocks, mountains, canyons, valleys, and even entire continents get split in half. The Earth's continents weighing 230 quadrillion tons, and water is able to hold up all of it, filling the depths of the Earth's crust. Every single mountain has been sliced simply by water moving forward.
Wow.
Buoyancy also extends to the skies, as clouds are nothing more than water vapor lifted high into the heavens. A single cloud can weigh millions of pounds.
What?
Yet drifts as light as a feather. Water
What? Yo,
Wait,
OfficialDivine, lie again. Lie again, I dare you. What?
Wait, how does clouds weigh millions of pounds? What? Because if you're going through a cloud, you go right through it.
Exactly.
You can feel the weight of the cloud.
Yeah, because think about it. What if you were in a plane? You know what I'm saying? You're traveling through the cloud. Yeah, because if it weighed something, the plane, you'd feel it. Maybe that's what turbulence is, bro.
Maybe. Look, I don't know too much about flying because I don't like planes like that, and I just started flying, so it's just saying.
So a fog, ain't that like a cloud being? Isn't that a cloud very low, like a very low cloud?
Yeah, ain't that a cloud just like at a lower elevation? It is what it is.
As clouds are nothing more than water vapor lifted high into the heavens. A single cloud can weigh millions of pounds, yet drifts as light as a feather. Water's strength isn't just confined by Earth. Its behavior is controlled by forces that reach far beyond our planet. 70% of the Earth is water and is literally being held back by the moon. The 73 quadrillion pound rock with its gravitational pull manipulates the oceans in a constant tug of war, creating the tides that surge beneath the planet itself. The immense force required to move entire oceans across the planet's surface, trying to stop the water from drowning the entire crust, responding to the hand of the moon shaping life on Earth for billions of years. This same tide, when driven by storms and winds, can rise up to form tsunamis, crashing across the land with absolute strength.
And I think that's the strongest form of water. Like a tsunami?
Tsunami. I can see that. Yeah.
Damn. This is why when they say, yo, what type of bender would you rather be? Bro, it's either air or water for me, bro. Like,
It's
think
air
about
for
it.
me.
Think about
For
it
me,
in real
it's
life.
air. Yeah, for me it'll be air.
That's crazy, because you can manipulate the oxygen around you. Like the air
That's what
around
I'm
you.
saying.
Duh.
You can suffocate niggas. Like,
Whoa, wait, why would
Bro.
that be the first thing you want to do?
like, but say that because people try to because for real, some people be trying to look down on air, like air bending. If you were like an air bender, like I can literally suffocate you.
That's true. Like put like
come on.
Yeah, like a bubble around your head of air and like, yeah, I feel that.
Water constantly reminds humanity that it's not even top 10.
Oh,
Water also has
We
a
are
strange
bums.
duality as it's able to give life and take it away. It's essential for survival. Without water, no living organism could exist. Making up 60% of our bodies,
Told you.
water is the pulse beneath our skin, the invisible ocean within each of us. It nourishes and sustains, and without it, we're nothing but deserts. Yet water's capacity for destruction is far too evident. During a storm, what begins as a gentle rain can grow into massive floods, uprooting trees and swallowing homes, and erasing the land in mere hours. The true scope of its power is seen when you consider phenomena like hurricanes, where warm water fuels winds capable of leveling cities and reshaping coastlines in days. At a molecular level, water behaves in ways that defy logic itself. Unlike most substances, it expands when it freezes, allowing ice to float, an anomaly that preserves life in cold climates by insulating the water beneath its surface. Its surface tension is so strong that it can support insects walking upon it, yet with enough pressure, water can cut through materials as hard
That
as
is
diamonds,
facts.
which requires 40 to 60 pounds per square inch of force.
Wait.
It's been part of the cycle of
It could
my
cut diamonds?
Yes, water is a mad fucking. I forgot about that. Like I forgot water. You can cut stuff with that joint.
Yeah,
Bro.
pressurized water. Yeah, you could go crazy with it.
bro.
I was gonna say some. I forgot. Whatever.
an anomaly that preserves life in
Oh
cold
yeah, like cryo freezing, I think.
Yeah.
Like, yo, you could deadass preserve life by freezing it, but obviously I don't think that works for us though. Like, I don't think you can do that to
I don't know.
humans.
I don't know. You be seeing those movies when they try to cryo freeze themselves when they want to like live a couple years later. It's not
Yeah.
like cryo freeze myself and then wake up in 2069. I don't know.
I think that would be dope though. I think,
that would be cool.
yeah, that's one thing that. Okay, so I don't fear death. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
because right, we're all gonna die anyways. But
Yeah.
that's the only thing that's holding me back from saying that. Like, I generally do want to see like what the future holds for us, or like what life would be like in like, you know, 2080, 2090, in terms of like, you know, our buildings, our cars, our technology. You know what I'm saying? I think that's pretty dope. That's always in the back of my mind. I'm like, damn, like it would be kind of cool to see that. But hey, if it's my time to go, it's my time to go.
100%.
But
100%.
surely.
climates by insulating the water beneath its surface. Its surface tension is so strong that it can support insects walking upon it, yet with enough pressure, water can cut through materials as hard as diamonds,
That's
which
insane.
requires 40 to 60 pounds per square inch of force. It's
don't
been
even know
part
what
of
that
the
is.
cycle of evaporation, condensation, and
Yo,
precipitation. for-
Lunar, he said 40 to 60 pounds of what?
Look, I don't even know. I ain't good at math.
Yo, bro, how do you even calculate that, swag?
as hard as diamonds, which requires 40 to 60 pounds per square inch of force. It's been part of the cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation for billions of years,
Bars.
constantly shifting from one form to another, vapor, liquid, ice, never truly being erased from existence. The water that fills the oceans today is the exact same water as when the dinosaurs roamed the earth. It has
Yes.
flowed through ancient rivers, filled prehistoric lakes, and been frozen in glaciers that existed long before humanity's ancestors ever took their first breath.
That's
When
so
water-
fire. I find that to be so fascinating. Like the water that we've been drinking or whatever, it went through some species
All the-
back then.
Yeah, it went through all the cycles of life.
Yeah, bro. And we're like, now we're intaking that same water. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Damn.
Droplets in the sky collide, produces 100 kilometers per second. In a sense, water is a time
say that again?
ever took roam the earth. It has flowed through ancient rivers, filled prehistoric lakes, and been frozen in glaciers that existed long before humanity's ancestors ever took their first breath.
Yo.
When water droplets in the sky collide, produces 100 kilometers per second. In a sense, water is a time traveler, carrying the memories from Earth's past and connecting the present from almost an unfathomable history. And the crazy thing is that water is almost impossible to recreate. The process seems simple, but how hydrogen reacts to oxygen would cause it to explode. But for some reason, our planet's bomb hasn't detonated. Don't tell me that water's been holding back this whole time.
Okay, buddy.
Overall, water would scale infinite layers
infinite layers of boundless. Listen, I don't even know
Infinite
that.
layers of domain expansion. What the fuck?
That thing that he said too, like, it's crazy that the chemical, like, composition, right? The H2O.
Yeah.
That's how it's made. But yeah, if you take a hydrogen and an oxygen atom and try to, like, put it together or whatever, it would deadass.
It blows up.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
with irrelevant speed. And shout out to
Irrelevant.
Kyle, who dropped 100 to sponsor this
Yo,
video.
Kyle, shout out to you,
Water's come
Kyle.
a long way in 1.4 billion years, and 60% of its strength resides in you. Because out of all the liquids on Earth, water has been here the longest. So take a sip. It's pretty refreshing when you're the strongest.
Damn, he made me feel
Look at the
strong.
water edit. Look at the water edit.
Look. Oh my god, I'm thirsty. Oh
What's
my
up, guys?
god.
Divine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the notifications.
Yeah, Divine. Yeah,
we
bro.
know.
We know.
We know.
Fire video. I'm gonna leave a like. Just shut up, bro. Like,
For sure, skis.
facts,
Yeah.
bro. That was fire. Look. We just did water,
Yeah.
so we gotta do fire. Come
You
on.
have to. It just makes sense.
Exactly.
It just makes sense.
Okay, this is all I know about fire. Like, for real.
Okay.
Okay, so depending on how hot the shit. Wait, hold on. I'm trying. Okay, there's different types of colors of fire. There's like the red fire or like the orange-ish fire that we're known, you know. And then there's like blue fire, like a blue flame. That means like something within it is more pure. I don't know if it's like the type of air that it's getting. I forgot.
Okay.
And then there's like a grain fire. So
Okay.
the more pure form of something that's there, or the hotter it is or something, the better the fire is. And like depending on that color, the stronger the fire may be or something like that.
Ain't there like purple fire too? Or am I bugging?
Could be. Let's see.
I don't know. I think the blue fire is hotter.
Yes.
No, it might be cooler. I don't fucking know. I don't know, bro.
Yeah, but you see what I'm saying? Like, okay, all right.
Yeah.
In a world of darkness, this element reveals the strongest, a force of nature that cannot be controlled, but its light is beautiful in our eyes.
Facts.
A force that turns cold to ash and burning its power into our minds forever, igniting the spark of life
Holy.
while always threatening to extinguish it. The universe's god of destruction. How strong is...
So
As
much
soon as the
aura.
Earth took its first breath, fire did as well, raging over the planet for billions of years and striking fear in every era. Fire is
Facts.
the element of energy that embodies both creation and destruction.
Facts.
Light and darkness. It emerges from the dance of combustion where fuel, oxygen, and heat converge, igniting a phenomena that can scorch the world. Reaching insanely hot temperatures, wildfires can blaze over 1,500 degrees Celsius or 2,732 degrees Fahrenheit, turning all organic matter into dust, an entire forest into ash.
Bro, why is he making this sound so like
I don't know.
like fire for real, bro?
Literally, no pun intended.
Like he's giving fire aura, bro. Like this is so cool. He gave it the title of God of Destruction, bro.
Yo, he's doing his thing. I ain't gonna lie.
When we look up into the sky, asteroids fall from space. A mountain falling 62 miles to Earth's surface weighing millions of tons, falling to the planet at 30 kilometers per second, faster than any bullet ever fired. But Earth has a guardian, as fire ignites the asteroid, blazing like the sun on entry, completely obliterating it before it even comes close. and we think it looks beautiful.
That's fast.
Similar to
yeah.
animals with colors that signal danger, fire does the same, as the colors of fire are a warning to anyone who comes close. Each hue revealing its overwhelming strength.
Oh, there it is. Please talk
Orange
about
and
it.
yellow flames like campfires and fireplaces are moderate heat, while blue flames indicate far higher temperatures.
Yes.
A propane torch, which burns around 1,980 degrees Celsius or 3,596 degrees Fahrenheit. White flames are significantly greater. It's often
White
found
flame?
when materials are being melted or forged, each shade representing a different manifestation of fire's power, an artist's padlet of creation and destruction, with this exact same colorway being similar to stars in space, as each color follows the same pattern. Our sun, a yellow star, burns with heat reaching 6,000 degrees Celsius, completely turning planets near it into scorching rocks. Mercury, being so close to the sun, has a surface temperature reaching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, with Venus being even hotter. It reaches 870 degrees, which would turn a person to ash in a fraction of a second. But our sun is only moderate in heat. Blue stars are ridiculously hot.
Oh my
being
God, he's
cosmic titans of heat.
right. Oh, yo, when he puts it that way, that's insane. Because they're moderate heat, right? The orange reddish flame.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just moderate. But now if you look at this, another star, because the sun is technically a star. This star is blue, bro. So this one burns even greater than that.
That should probably look beautiful though.
Facts.
I ain't gonna lie. That
Yeah.
should probably look crazy nice.
And then speaking of like, you know, wanting to see the future, I'm sure maybe in our timeline there's gonna come a time where we can harness the power of a star, like turn the jewels into energy. And
Yeah, I can see that.
yes, bro, and like just like a little bit of like the solar energy that if we do harvest it from the sun, bro,
Yeah.
it can power, for example, like a car for like 300 years, bro.
I could see that, but like we don't have the technology for that.
Exactly,
You know what I'm
so,
saying?
yeah,
at
that's-
least not that we know of. And I'm talking about just me and you. Maybe they do have something like that, but they just don't want to say anything.
Shit. Hey, just know that if you do know someone that knows something, they're probably dead.
Probably.
Yeah. Anyways.
Burning at temperatures that reach upwards of 20 to 50,000 degrees Celsius or 36 to 90,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Damn.
To put that into perspective, that's over 5 times hotter than the surface of our own sun. Imagine taking the hottest molten lava on Earth around 1,200 degrees Celsius or 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit and cranking the dial until it glows a furious blue.
That
If
would
we
be
could
crazy.
somehow bring even a fragment of a blue star's surface down to Earth, it would incinerate entire cities in an instant, vaporizing anything in its way.
Damn.
The searing heat would make even the core of a nuclear explosion seem like a candle in the wind. Fire,
Damn.
also being a master of disaster, thriving on a diet of combustible materials, wood, plastic, fibers, almost anything that you can think of, turning them into smoke and heat with just a mere spark. Smoke itself being a byproduct of fire that creates a cloud of death, filled with toxic gases and particles that can take away your vision and shrivel up your lungs. It wraps around fire like a blanket, turning what could be a controlled blaze into a life-annihilating situation. The dangers of smoke extend far beyond the reach of a blaze. It can travel for miles, affecting air long after the flames have been extinguished. A single ember from a campfire can float in the wind, igniting a wildfire that can consume thousands of acres, proving that even the tiniest spark sets the stage for fire's strength. If you actually think about it,
So that's why
to Broly from
wildfires.
Dragon Ball.
What the hell? Wait, where are we? Oh, okay, we're still.
Wait, how's this similar to Broly?
I don't know. I think I skipped a little bit, but yeah. I was gonna say, yeah, that's how wildfires, like, that's why they're so dangerous, because technically it never stops burning.
They can only find some type of way to contain it.
Yeah, exactly.
acres, proving that even the tiniest spark sets the stage for fire's strength. If you actually think about it, fire is similar to Broly from Dragon Ball Super, as its strength and size will literally double after each passing minute. And after 8 minutes, a fire can grow 64 times from its original spark, which gives life moments to react before it's gone. An element so strong that we need it to survive but every minute that it stays, it threatens our lives. Overall, fire would scale infinite layers of boundless with irrelevant speed.
Similar
same thing as water.
Yeah, same to water. Okay, bet. That's why they wait, but no, because doesn't water technically beat fire? Is there any element of fire that can beat water? Oh yeah, maybe the sun, right? This obviously the sun. Not maybe, it is the sun. Because the sun will evaporate the water. Oh, hold on,
but
though.
how much water can it evaporate?
True. And also, just because it evaporated the water doesn't mean that the water is gone. Because now, evaporation basically turned it into what? Like a gas, like a mist.
Yeah, like a gas type of thing. Yeah.
So the water's still there. So technically, I don't know.
So what if like this whole world that we're living on right now, we grab all of this water and try to throw it at the sun? We can't make the sun die out with the amount of water we throw at that shit.
That is a good question. I ain't gonna lie. That does. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Like, how much water would it take while continuously being dumped on? Right?
Yeah.
How much water would it take to put out the sun? Yeah. I think that's pretty cool. Also, like I said, he gave fire the god of destruction and compared it to Broly, bro. So technically, fire is Broly. Copy.
Okay.
Shout out to Jason, Kyle, and Dagger who dropped 50 to sponsor this video. Because in the end, once the Earth was formed 1.4 billion years ago, this powerful element was born as well.
Facts.
And now we use its strength to do anything that we desire. Because out of every video that I've ever made, this one is actually fire.
All right.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah.
No pun intended.
What's up, guys? It's Divine. If you guys enjoyed this video,
yo, Divine, we get it, bro. Very beautiful video. We know, bro. Like,
Yes,
you been got the like already, bro.
You.
Yeah.
Hi, man. Anyways, that was Official Divine fire video. Yeah, I like the video, like it. You can't like the video, not like it.
Hey, bro, remember, look at this, right? In our bodies, we got water, one of the strongest elements ever. We're made up of that. Therefore, we're water. But not only that, we can control fire. That's why we are humans. That's why we've developed as a society. That's why we're able to live longer, because our founding, like our cavemen, once they discovered fire, boom. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Feel me? So yeah, we're water and we can control fire. Therefore, we are strong beings, bro. Don't let nobody tell you that. But I'll tell you something. You a bum. You're a bum. You know what I'm saying? Get up, go do something, bro. Feel me? All right, see you tomorrow, man. Lunar, you want to say something? Oh, don't forget personal.
Oh yeah, personal.